Why declutter children's toys?
Cluttered play spaces can overwhelm both children and adults. Excess toys can distract, overstimulate, and reduce the quality of playtime. Decluttering helps children focus, encourages creativity, and fosters calm. A minimalist approach doesn't mean having no toys. It means keeping what sparks joy and supports healthy growth. Let's explore how to create a more peaceful play environment step by step.
Start with a clear vision.
Begin by envisioning the play space you want. Ask yourself, what activities do your kids truly enjoy? Consider how much space you have and what atmosphere you'd like to create. Involving your children in this process helps them feel ownership and understand why you're making changes. Setting clear intentions will guide your decisions as you move forward.
Sort and categorize toys.
Gather all toys into one area and sort them by type. Create piles for items like puzzles, building blocks, stuffed animals, and art supplies. Seeing everything together can be eye-opening. Let your child help decide what to keep, donate, or discard. Encourage them to choose favorites and notice any forgotten or broken items that no longer bring joy.
Make thoughtful choices.
When deciding what to keep, focus on quality over quantity. Prioritize toys that inspire imagination, learning, and active play. Ask questions such as, when was this last played with? Does it foster creativity? Remove duplicates and items your child has outgrown. Be mindful not to keep toys out of guilt or obligation. The goal is a space filled only with meaningful, loved items.
Organize and maintain simplicity.
Arrange the chosen toys in a way that's easy to access and tidy. Use bins, baskets, or shelves to group similar items together. Consider rotating toys every few weeks to maintain interest without adding clutter. Involve your child in cleanup so they learn to value order. Regularly revisit the collection to ensure the play space remains joyful, functional, and calm.